Hey, y'all, check out this pretty bird. It's part of our creek. Here, quit laughing. It's very pretty. Look at, oh my God. Oh, I'm gonna lose it out of the frame. What's it doing? Oh, let me roll up. There you go. Oh, shoot. Isn't it pretty? Look at it, y'all.
He eat the fish.
I mean, we see so many different animals down here.
I think it's a flamingo.
It's not a flamingo. It's a crane.
Oh, I'm not on it at all.
Okay, that's enough crazy. Get off of there.